How to turn off read receipts for a specific person on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to stop someone from seeing when you've read their messages on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. From there, find and tap on the conversation of the person you want to hide read receipts from. At this point, tap on their name at the top of the chat to open the conversation settings. In the next step, tap on Privacy and Safety to open the privacy options for that specific chat. Following this, you'll see a toggle for read receipts on the screen. Once done, tap the toggle to turn it off. It will turn gray, confirming that read receipts are now disabled for this specific conversation. Finally, from this point on, that person will no longer be able to see when you've read their messages without affecting your read receipts with anyone else. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you hide your read receipts from a specific person, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.